welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a healthy breakfast. This is a combination of cucumbers, egg and atta, so definitely healthy breakfast. This breakfast helps to reduce weight. It's none other than cucumber dosa. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. Cut 2 small sized cucumbers in this size. To this, add an egg. Transfer the content to a mixie jar. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Grind the ingredients to a very fine paste. Transfer the content to a bowl. To this, add 1/4 cup of atta and mix it well. We're looking for a dosa batter consistency. If required, add some water. I'm going with a tablespoon of water. Make sure it's lump-free. Now our cucumber dosa batter is ready, so let's move on to making the cucumber dosa. Heat a tawa and spread the cucumber dosa batter like a dosa. Add few drops of gingelly oil and cook for a minute in medium flame. It's been a minute now, so flip the dosa to the other side and cook for a few more seconds. Once done, remove and enjoy immediately. You can go with any chutney of your choice. Very healthy and delicious recipe. So do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.